An enduring enigma, the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon across millennia, it stands as a monument to the ancient Egyptians. How did they achieve this feat of engineering? Imagine a structure taller than the Statue of Liberty. Now picture it built from over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing tons. This is the reality of the Great Pyramid. Its scale is immense, its precision astounding. The Great Pyramid is more than just a tomb, it's a time capsule. It holds clues about ancient Egyptian beliefs, their knowledge, their capabilities. We are still piecing together the complete picture, but with each discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for these master builders. From quarry to construction site, the journey of the stones. The Great Pyramid's construction began with a monumental task, quarrying millions of tons of stone. The majority of these stones, the pyramid's core, came from a quarry just south of the pyramid. This limestone, while rough, provided the structure's backbone. For the outer casing, the Egyptians sought a more pristine material, white limestone. They quarried these gleaming stones from across the Nile near modern-day Tura. These stones, once polished, would reflect the sun and give the pyramid its dazzling appearance. The tools of the trade were simple copper chisels, wooden mallets, and stone hammers. With these rudimentary tools, the Egyptians carved out the massive blocks. These were then shaped and smoothed before their journey to the pyramid's construction site. The scale of this quarrying operation is difficult to comprehend, even today. Moving mountains, ramps, rollers, and the power of ingenuity. Transporting the massive stones was a Herculean feat. The Egyptians relied on a combination of manpower, ingenuity, and the Nile's annual flood. During the inundation, they would float the stones from Tura on barges, bringing them close to the pyramid. Once on land, the massive blocks were moved using a system of ramps, rollers, and sledges. These ramps, likely made of earth and brick, would have stretched for hundreds of meters, gradually rising with the pyramid's height. The exact design of these ramps is still debated. Some archaeologists propose straight ramps while others favor a spiral design encircling the pyramid. Regardless of their form, these ramps were marvels of engineering, enabling the Egyptians to move millions of tons of stone. Section 4. Precision in placement, constructing a monument to the heavens. With the stones at the pyramid's base, a new challenge arose, lifting and placing them with astonishing accuracy. Here, the Egyptians demonstrated their mastery of leverage, geometry, and teamwork. They likely used a combination of levers, rollers, and wooden frames to raise the heavy blocks. By carefully maneuvering these tools and coordinating their efforts, teams of workers could inch the stones up to their designated positions. The precision with which these stones were placed is remarkable. The joints are so tight that even a thin blade can barely be inserted between them. This accuracy not only speaks to the skill of the builders but also to their understanding of geometry and their meticulous planning. Section 5. The unsung architect's life and labor in the shadow of the pyramid. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Evidence suggests that the workforce was comprised of skilled laborers, artisans, and craftsmen. These individuals were paid for their work, taking pride in their contribution to this monumental project. Life for these workers was undoubtedly challenging. They lived in temporary settlements near the pyramid, enduring long hours and physically demanding tasks. However, they were also a part of something extraordinary, contributing to a project that would resonate through history. Their diet, likely consisting of bread, beer, and vegetables, provided the sustenance needed for such arduous labor. Despite the hardships, these workers played a vital role in bringing the pharaoh's vision to life. Section 6. Unlocking the secrets, alternative theories, and enduring mysteries. While the ramp theory is widely accepted, alternative theories abound. Some researchers propose the use of internal ramps within the pyramid's structure. Others suggest the Egyptians possessed lost technologies, enabling them to manipulate the massive stones with ease. One such theory posits the use of a system of water-filled canals and buoyancy to lift the stones. By floating the blocks on barges within the pyramid, the Egyptians could have significantly reduced the force required to move them. While intriguing, these alternative theories lack conclusive evidence. The mystery of how the pyramids were built continues to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the ingenuity and determination of our ancient ancestors.